All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So today I'm out here in the north side of town, the city of Las Vegas, and we're going to be exploring this single story by Toll Brothers. Now, a couple weeks ago, we were out here in this community touring the bigger models here. These are the 2-story, and this is actually Elkhorn Grove. It is a gated community, and there's 2 collections. So collections 1 are the single stories, collections 2 are more of the bigger footprints, and that's going to be the 2-story homes. But today we're going to be exploring this one right here. As you can see, it's a 3-car garage. Now this property right here features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath with a 3-car garage, single story. It is 3,100 square feet. You've got 3 different elevations to pick and choose from. Let's take a look over here, see what we got. Looks like we have an option for a solar panel. Got your pest control system here. Standard stucco. Love the pavers though. It's not your standard terracotta pavers, so these are definitely an upgrade. This is a modern Craftsman. Wow, nice and open. Look at this. It looks like we got a pool. Oh, I was gonna say pool right here. We got 2 bedrooms here. As soon as I come in, everything is just completely open. Wow, that's pretty nice. So the base price on here is $775,000. Got 10-foot ceilings. I really love this glass wall right here. That thing is gorgeous. Matter of fact, let's just start off in the front, see what we got. First thing I notice as you come in, you got some nice cladding on the wall here. Very elegant. Not feeling the 12 by 24 on the tile here. So this bedroom, the suite, must be a Jack and Jill. Yes, it is. Pretty decent size though, bedroom for sure. Your baseboards are 8 inches. Orange built texture, straight edge on the cornering here. Looks like you have an option for the alarm system for all your windows. Looks like your coax cable is going to be there. Let's take a look at the bathroom. The fiberglass. Got some tile cladding all the way up to the top. Then I believe these are Delta fixtures. Let's take a look at the sink. Sinks are pretty low here on this one, but obviously that's a upgrade that you can do. Oh, they actually have a transfer duct there, which is really nice. 4 can lighting on here. What do we got here? Light switching for your ceiling fan. Walk-in closet. Not bad. Here is your connection for your Wi-Fi. That's another thing you got to keep in mind. If the house is not big enough, you need to have a system where your Wi-Fi connects throughout the whole house, because it only covers a certain amount of zoning. What do we have here? Extra storage, another bedroom. Very narrow, this bedroom. Not too sure what they were trying to do here. But yeah, this is technically just a bedroom. So it looks like your headboard would go here or here. And basically you probably only got about 2 feet here. TV goes here. And coming into the 3/4, 0 threshold. Let's take a look at this. Now, this is very unique. So you have a 0 threshold, but then you have this track that pops up about 1 inch here. So you don't have a 0 threshold. It's very interesting. I don't really care for these type of toilets. They just look too bulky. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like that toilet, because I'm just not feeling it. Extra storage. So here, you can do your walls. This would cost you a lot of money to do this with Toll Brothers. This is actually a 1/2 inch glass. Okay, this is a pretty thick glass here. You can do this aftermarket. Just contact my girl, Nicole, man with Las Vegas. I just love it how it just opens everything up. Because if you wall this up, man, it's just not gonna look good whatsoever. It's a great idea. See if this thing swings both ways. Yep, nice. Then we got our faux beams right above. Let's take a look at this kitchen. What we got for the kitchen? Love the countertops. We got Gen Air for the appliances. That's not that bad. Home is very warm. I feel like the color of the cabinets are a little bit too red for my taste. They're nice cabinets though, I would say. See if these are solid wood or thermophobes. Cabinets. Is this glued together? Interesting. So this is a solid cabinet here. These are probably MC cabinets. Obviously they're going to be dovetails. .42 uppers with a 3-inch crown. Cook countertop is only 36 inches, 6 burner. You got the chevron pattern backsplash with the under-mounted lights. So you got some pantry here, pantry there, and then we have a pantry here. Okay, it's not bad. The kids like it for sure. Let's see what else we got. So we've got a counter depth refrigerator. Too bad it's not a 72-inch, but I'll still take that. Not bad. It's down here. So we have our half bath. We got the 3-car garage here. Then our laundry room. I mean, everything that you see basically in here is a complete upgrade. Now let's go take a look at the dining area. So you can actually add a solar system, 48-inch fireplace if you choose to. Obviously some upper cabinets inside the laundry room. You can do the 0 threshold. So there's a lot of upgrades that you can definitely do. But most of this stuff is all aftermarket from a third-party company. I do like these aluminum slides though, because they do open both ways. Unfortunately, I don't know if we can go outside. Oh yeah, we can go outside. The average lot size here is roughly about 9,000 square feet. Gorgeous backyard though. Feels like an oasis, doesn't it? I love these awnings, but the only thing is with the steel, they always rust like this. But I guess it's kind of like that look, I guess. You got the splash pool. Definitely a nice place to sunbathe, that's for sure. Look at this. Sun sets here on the west. You got your full sun exposure. Oh, this is perfect. What I've noticed in Las Vegas during the winter time, the sun sets over there, right? More south. But then summertime, it sets more northwest. Notice that. All right, let's go back inside. Let's go take a look at the primary, see what the primary has to offer. This is kind of cool. Beautiful fuchsia wall for sure. Oh, there's a couple surfboards, huh? All right, let's go this way. All right. Wow, nice cladding on the ceiling. That's something that you guys can do on your own. It won't cost you much, just the materials, obviously. All right, let's go inside here. Wow, the bathroom is pretty large. I'm very impressed. So you got the walk-in shower. Again, 0 threshold. We got our toilet right here, which is our water closet. Then we have a his and hers sink. Nice vessel sink. Sits up at 36 inches now. And this is perfect. Now, if we take a look at this, you will get a lot of this type of cracking at the joints because here's the cabinet, here's the drywall. Looks like this has been caulked at one point, but as this home expands and contracts, it will split. So typically, you try not to caulk this thing. The best thing to do for something like this, because you want to make sure you have a nice straight edge, I would actually blue tape the cabinet first, caulk it, let it dry off, and rip off the blue tape so that way you have a nice seal, and then you also have a straight edge too as well. Oh, so they did a pretty good job on these cabinets here. So they're semi-custom. What I mean by that is that they're custom, but they're not fully tricked out. But they did skin the back. I love that dark color contrasting with this gray color. Actually a good idea. With the cabinets, there's so many cabinet configurations that you guys can actually do. If you guys are looking for a custom closet, contact my girl Pat at Closets Las Vegas. And this one is California Closets. But we're not gonna promote them because we're not doing business with them. So contact my girl Pat, you get your discount. They are a local company out here. They manufacture their cabinets and they have a lot of contracts with builders, so they do a really good job. Now, if you guys want more detailed information about this property, all you gotta do is just reach on out to me. I'll get you everything that you need regarding this property, what's available, okay? How much you're gonna be spending on something like this. Because this one has all the bells and whistles, folks. Now, the other thing is that if you don't have a real estate agent, you know, we definitely would love to earn your business. I say this all the time. There's no cost to you guys whatsoever. But other than that, my name's Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I wish you guys nothing but the best and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.